I'm gonna quit telling you what day it is, because when I tell you the day, sometimes I don't get my vlogs uploaded till you know, days later. So it's like I can tell you it's Friday and you might not get to see it till the next Friday or the next Thursday, whatever. So I'm not gonna tell you what day it is, but it's Tuesday. I'm gonna tell you. Look at this, I'm all puffy today. I must have like ate something not good last night. I'm getting ready to go to the grocery store. We're supposed to get some snow and ice in the morning. I have to work tonight. Short shift, 6 to 10 is what I picked up, so I'm super excited about that. But I just have a short shift. My head is like exploding. I just feel like my ears, and I feel like I'm living in a bubble. I just can't hear that well. A little congested today, but I'm headed to the store because I got some amazing stuff I'm going to make for you guys. I am going to do a Mexican mac and cheese. Yes, that's right, you heard it. It's going to be loaded with all kinds of goodness. You're going to love it. I'm going to make that tomorrow for dinner because I'm going to, you know, cook my normal steaks. I like to have at least steak once a week just because, you know, I'm spoiled like that. I always wondered why at the dollar store they never have these. They're cheaper at the dollar store than they are at my local grocery store, the Pepsi Zero. This is what my husband drinks. It's because they only brought in, the Pepsi man was there delivering the Pepsi products. Thank God I got there when I did. He only had 8 of those. That was what he's bringing in. No wonder I can't get those at the dollar store because they're only $1.80 there. They're like almost $3 at my grocery store. So I bought all 8 of them. But don't look at my house. Please don't look at my house. Okay, we're gonna do like a quick little haul here because I'm starved. I bought some egg noodles because I'm making a tuna casserole tonight. I bought some of the cheese and garlic croutons for salad. I got the peas to go in my tuna noodle casserole. I bought some ham and cheese loaf. I love this stuff. I bought 3 beautiful steaks because I'm going to make some steaks tomorrow. I love making steaks. Look how beautiful those are. Look at that. These are the New York strip steaks. I bought 3 of these. They're thick cut too. That's what I like. Bought some refried beans because I'm going to make a bean dip, and I will share that recipe with you. I'll probably film that tomorrow because that stuff is off the chain. I bought 2 cans of that. I bought some chicken of the sea tuna and water for my tuna noodle casserole. I bought 3 cans. I'll probably make some tuna salad as well. I bought me a thing of double noodle soup because I wanted to come home and make me some soup and a grilled cheese, but you know, Mom had that vegetable soup, so that's what I'm going to eat. And then I bought, of course, I got some cat food. I got a lot of cat food. I've got some diced green chilies that I'm going to put in my I'm making a Mexican macaroni and cheese tomorrow to go with my steaks, and I'm also going to use those green chilies to go in my bean dip. I bought some rotini Barilla, and that's what I'm going to make my mac and cheese with. I got some storage bags. I love these things. I mean, these are always on my grocery list because, you know, anything that I cook that I have left over, I just store in there. Big thing of Velveeta cheese. Gotta have Velveeta cheese. I'm gonna use that in my mac and cheese. I got some generic corn flakes. I hate that because I wish they sold them in little boxes because I'm only gonna use this for one time to go on my tuna noodle casserole. And of course I got my babies some beef sticks. I spent $150 and didn't get anything. And of course I got 2 little toys for my babes. You gotta buy. You can't just buy one, they fight over it. Look what Mama got. Oh, Mama got. Oh, Mama got. Guess what? You're squashing my noodles, girlfriend. You gotta get 2. They get so jealous. One for you. Look at them babies. Look at Roscoe waiting for him. He just snatched that up. Didn't even give me time to try to film. I got some pudding snacks for my daughter, Olivia. I got some Dove soap because this is what I like to use. Make my skin all fresh and soft and beautiful. I bought some extra creamy ranch. I bought some French's onions, the dried onions, because I'm going to put those in my tuna noodle casserole. Another thing of diced green chilies. Some more cat food for my spoiled cats. That's my babies. Of course, they smashed my bread. This I had to run back in for. I'm gonna make some coleslaw tomorrow to go with my steaks and macaroni and cheese. So I like this Marzetti. I don't know if you've used this, but I like it. Had to run back in for steak sauce. Olivia likes steak sauce with hers. I bought some scoops to go with my bean dip. I've got some Barilla angel hair pasta because I'm gonna make some of my, Lord have mercy, my earth-shattering sonic boom shrimp pasta. And I got some of these for Olivia. These are the coconut dreams. They're kind of like the Girl Scout cookies, Samoas, just until they get here. Because I did order a bunch of Girl Scout cookies. I got a big cucumber and some tomatoes. These are the Roma tomatoes. Those are my favorite because they're so meaty. I also got a bag of steak fries. That's what I'm cooking tomorrow. Steak fries, steak. I'm going to make some coleslaw and Mexican mac and cheese. Bought some shrimp because I'm going to do a little short video of, you know, my music, my sexy music type stuff. I'm just going to do some garlic shrimp for you. I got a bunch of cheese. I got mild cheddar, sharp cheddar, Mexican, and of course my husband texted me while I'm in the grocery store. He wanted some of the Kraft Deluxe deli style cheese. So I got him some. And I got some chicken stock, chicken broth. And I got Olivia some more of her favorite fruit punch, Minute Maid. But that's my quick haul. What you think about that? It's a lot in that. Here, I'll show you. Look at all that. Look at all of that. Look at that quick haul. Look at that goodness. Girl, no, we don't chew Mama's shoes up. Mama gets mad when that happens. Mama gets very mad when that happens. Alright guys, look at my soup. What you think about that? What you think about that? Look at that bowl of vegetable soup. I am super excited about this because I'm super duper hungry. Look at that. Homemade vegetable. She put a few noodles in there. It looks like she broke up some spaghetti in there. Or some type of pasta or something. Let me taste it real quick. Look, Daisy's want to taste it. Mmm. That is so good. I'm going to have another bite before I move my camera. Mmm. Let me take my hair down. I can't stand, that thing makes my head so sore when I have it in there. But I'm gonna enjoy my nice thing of soup. I'd stop at the pharmacy and pick up a prescription. Let me have a bite of this first. Mmm. It's so good. I was gonna make me a grilled cheese sandwich, but I'm not waiting. I'm just starved. It's like afternoon. It's like 12:30. And I've been up since about 6. Mmm. What kind of meat she put in there? It's so tender. It's good. But it's so aggravating. You call your prescription and I'm drinking a Pepsi. I hope it's still good. It's been in the refrigerator for about a week. Oh, it sounded so good. It sounded really good still. Let's see. Not as fresh as you just opened it, but it's still pretty good. Miss Daisy wants some soup. Miss Daisy wants some soup. You ain't get no soup. But I hate going to the pharmacy. I went through the drive-thru, and I guess people think that they can just take their, instead of dropping your prescriptions off or calling your prescription. I can't even say that word today. I can't even talk. Prescriptions. I don't know if you just witnessed that, but my dog tipped the rest of my soup over there that I had sitting on the stove. I had it too close, so she And now they're eating it off the floor. I don't care. I'm hungry. I'll get it up when I'm done. There's a May. I can't even believe they've done that. That ticks me off. But yeah, instead of calling your prescriptions in or whatever, they just sit there and wait for them to fill them through the window. And that makes me mad because it takes them like 20 minutes. I don't want to wait for you to have your prescription done. Take care of business before you get there. People make me mad. I'm very impatient, that's for sure. Lord have mercy. That stuff better than mine. That meat is so tender. And there goes a little bit across the counter. It's a zoo here. I'm gonna get off here and eat this. A piece of meat stuck in my teeth. And then I'm taking a nap because like I said, I gotta work tonight. I'll be filming some great stuff for you tomorrow. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Look at that big piece of yummy meat. I don't know what that is, but it's delicious. Enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your evening. I'm gonna eat and take me a nap. I'm gonna drink first, I'm thirsty. And you know I love you all so very much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and leave me a comment below. So I love you. Bye.